How creatine affects your capacity to gain muscle. Creatine is one of the few supplements on the market that is supported by quite a bit of research. Numerous research studies have demonstrated its efficiency in enhancing strength rate, which results in muscle gains. In fact, the fitness and bodybuilding industries view it as a crucial supplement. Creatine can boost your lean muscle gains and strength when compared to training alone. Therefore, creatine is a no-brainer if you're looking for a superb muscle-boosting product. It's interesting that very few people are aware of the right amount to take for creatine to achieve maximum results. Keep watching as we go into more detail on creatine in today's video, including what it is, how it works, and how to use it. Creatine, what is it? The muscle cells and other organs contain creatine, which some of you are probably unaware of. Your ability to put on muscle, increase your strength, and improve your workout efficiency is its most well-known benefit. Glycine and arginine, two amino acids, can be combined to create this natural molecule. So, if you're scared about taking anything unfamiliar, you don't need to because your body has grown used to it. How does it affect the growth of muscles? The truth is that very few legal supplements, especially when paired with exercise, are specifically linked to increased muscle mass. Creatine has been shown to be the most efficient of all those supplements and has the most scientific backing and research. A study found that adding creatine to your training routine results in an increase in muscle mass. Additionally, you can increase your bench press strength and decrease myostatin, a protein that inhibits muscle cell growth. Additionally, creatine can help both beginner and experienced weightlifters. A well-trained athlete may add 2.6 kilograms of muscle mass, 32 kilograms to the leg press, and 11 kilograms to the bicep curl, according to one research. Additionally, consuming creatine can contribute to a 3.2% decrease in body fat. How should creatine be taken? Creatine comes in a variety of shapes. However, there are 3 standard methods for consuming creatine. 1. To start, consume 20 grams per day for 5-7 days. 2. Lower your consumption to 3-5 grams per day to keep the elevated creatine stores after that time. 3. If you choose, you can begin taking 3-5 grams of creatine every day. 4. For a few weeks at a period, you can plan your creatine intake on and off. It is obvious that there are myths and FAQs about creatine because it is a popular supplement to eat. The first is the creatine cycle. According to some, you should take it for 2 weeks before stopping for 1 week or for 3 weeks before stopping for 2. This statement is untrue. Creatine is completely natural and safe to consume for the rest of your life. Kidney problems are the second myth. Many people think that taking creatine causes kidney issues. No study has yet shown that taking creatine would cause kidney problems. However, if you already have kidney issues, you must only take creatine under a doctor's prescription. The third myth is that stopping creatine causes muscle loss. That is untrue. However, your ATP levels begin to return to normal 6 weeks after you stop taking creatine, even if they have grown due to the ingestion of creatine. Thus, you can experience some strength loss. The fourth is that it is advantageous to take it with carbs. Many individuals claim that you can only profit from it if you combine it with carbohydrates. That is untrue. Even if you consume it with dissolved water, it will still help you. You can combine it with your own post-workout protein smoothie if you want to reap more benefits. This was the video for the day. I truly hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share the video if you enjoyed it. We will keep creating informative videos.